Okay, let's say that I have a Microsoft Word document. This is a 2007 Word document. It has text and links and some pictures in it. And let's say that I've decided I want to save this as an HTML web page and load it into Angel. What do I need to do to get that done? Reasons I might want to do that might include that it would become a much smaller file in size. Also, maybe I don't want people to have to use Word to access my content. And also maybe I don't want them to have to launch another program at all. I just want them to click on the icon in Angel and see my content. So in this case, I've decided to go ahead and save this as HTML. So I'm going to go to the Windows button there and go Save As, and I'm going to choose Other Formats. And for the format, I'm going to choose Web Page Filtered. Depending on the version of Word that I'm using, it might say HTML filtered or web page filtered, but I'm going to choose filtered. Now, if I do choose web page filtered as my format type and then I find some strange formatting or something doesn't go, I might come back and try web page, but I would almost never try single file web page, which is a Microsoft specific thing. So web page filtered, and I'm going to put this on my desktop for now, and I'll call it mod1 HTML example, and I'll hit save. Now yes, and it's telling me that I'm going to lose some Microsoft specific stuff, and then I'll see that I've still got my links, got my pictures are in here, and everything looks okay. So I'm going to go ahead and get out of Word for now. Now, one thing that I need to be aware of is that when I have images in Word, the images and the text and everything else are all contained in that same Word document. But HTML is text-based only. So you have the images that I had in my original document in the Word document are now in a folder, and if I look at those, I can see each of those images that will be displayed in the HTML page. But I want Angel to treat this as one file. I want it to see it as one file. So I'm going to select both the folder and the HTML file that were generated, right-click and say send to a compressed or zipped folder. Okay, so now what I've got is one file with all of those images in the HTML page all zipped up inside of it. Okay, so I have my zip file, and now I'm in Angel and I want to share it with my students. So I'm in the lessons content, doesn't matter where I am. I'm going to click on Add Content and then choose Add a File, and when that comes up, I'll go browse and find my zip file that I created, and I'll call it whatever I want the students to see. Okay, now once it uploads, I'm going to not click on the OK button. I'll have to avoid the temptation to click there. Instead, I'm going to tell Angel what the default file is, the file that I want Angel to look to as to how to display all the information. And notice I've got all my image files there. Then I also have a HTML page, and that's what I'm going to choose, is 123.htm in this case. And I'll hit Extract Files. And it may take it a moment, but then I'm in business, and now I see my HTML file, and I can see my images in there. And if the student clicks on it or the person clicks on it, they see it immediately.